I caught this one smoking cigarettes behind the house today. Why don't you talk to her, Dad? Seeing as it's your area of expertise. Who, boy? You know, little lady, you really shouldn't be smoking. It's bad for your lungs. Do we even have lungs? Well, it's bad for you. Bad for your body. Says the guy who downs a whole 6-pack every day. Well, beer is bad for you too. Very bad. Take it from old Gramps. Here. Aha. Push. Now go play. Or whatever it is teenagers do. Rummage. Krabby light. Whip, whip. Isn't it exciting? My dad will be coming home in a little bit and I'll finally get to meet him. You've never met your dad. Anyway, I wonder what he's like. Maybe he's some rich CEO, or a supervillain or something. Or what if he's the king of all demons? Imagine me as a demon princess, and tell me that wouldn't be the absolute coolest shiz. Well, either that or he went to the store 20 minutes ago, and I already forgot about him. I'm like 6 months old, yo. I have a pretty tenuous grasp of object permanence. It's not hard to imagine. I swear, though, if he ends up being some normie, I'm going to lose my marbles until they get me a better dad. Hey, pumpkin. I'm back from the store. Dad has got a surprise for you. No, flipping way. Alright, Bert, I've decided to take you on as my pupil. Oh boy. Lesson 1 in being a nuisance, knocking things off tables. Observe. Smash. Wowie. Why don't you give it a try? Okay, here goes. Jump. Good effort, but you're not trying to be helpful. You've got to make a bigger mess of things. Well, how about this? Ooh, very stylish. See, now you're getting it. Watch this. I bet I can make an even bigger mess. Scrape, scrape. What are you doing up there? Congrats. You've graduated with flying colors. Yay. Haha, no way. He really said that? Right. It's nuts. Hard stuff. Glug glug glug. Oh dear, Miss Cap, don't drink that. That's a mommy drink. Sweetie, are you feeling okay? I'm fine, godmom. Sorry, Charlotte. Looks like I have to go get Miss Cass sobered up before my husband finds out I got our child drunk. You done when I go. Welp. Hey, finally, she's in bed. I had no idea my daughter was such a belligerent drunk. I'll kick your ass up. What's that about our daughter being drunk? What's drunk, mom? I'm drunk, mom. And I'll hickbly grunt the crap out to all y'all. Wow, seriously? You would be the one to clog the only toilet in the entire savannah, wouldn't you, Rhino? Well, hurry up and fix it. There's a line forming back here. You expect me to fix anything with these big, fat feet of mine? Don't look at me. No way. Hey, I don't even use the thing. I just, go in the bushes. Ugh, you animal. Well, one thing's for sure. At least one of us here is qualified to snake a pipe. Could you please do that somewhere else? What? That, you don't see me stripping down in the living room and tidying up my privates, do you? Oh, we are really gonna go there? What about when I'm all curled up in the bathtub taking a nap? Whenever it's time for you to shower, you kick me out. But now that it's my turn for a bath, I'm still the one who has to leave. Yes, because the bathtub is for bathing. No, I'm sick of these double standards. In fact, my bath is going to become uncomfortably aggressive until you leave and give me some privacy. Okay, fine. I'm leaving already. Lick 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 lick. Are you done yet? I'm missing my show. Lick 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 lick. Welcome, pups, to my magical chocolate lab. It is here that I conceive my most delectable candy creations. But isn't chocolate bad for dogs? Yes. Then why? No questions during the tour, please. Everything in this room is edible, from the candy grass to the powdered sugar snow. Just don't fall into the chocolate river. You may not know this, but chocolate is very bad for dogs. I just said that. Mr. Chanka, the fat kid already jumped in, like, as soon as we came in here. What, seriously? Arg. No, no, no. No pouncing. Listen here, punk. Cats are for petting, pampering, and praising. Not getting pounced on. Now, perceive this person. She'll perform the perfect pettings a precious princess like me prefers. Well, proceed, pooch. I permit your paw to pet me, but if you persist in pouncing, pray that I pardon you. Pounds. Prepare to perish, pup. Shiver shiver. Did our owner ship us off to Antarctica while we slept or something? It must be 20 below. And she actually expects us to go out in that frigid hellscape? We've got coats. It might not be that bad. Okay, I was wrong. It's bad. 10 seconds out there, and already my cheeks feel like twin popsicles. Pa, a right couple o' wusses. A cano handle a wee bit snow? And you can. I bet you'd freeze your legs off, if you had any to freeze. I my RV wee legs, but they've got more backbone than either o' ye, clearly. Alright, then. Be my guest. What? Not so confident anymore, now that you've looked death in the face? Am going. RM. So, how long was that? About 40 seconds. Guess we made the right call. Hey, buddy, mind if I give you little constructive criticism? You're too unsure of yourself. The vibe it gives off makes the customers a bit uncomfortable. Don't just wiggle nocomitally like this. Really get into it, like this. No, that's Look, it's your first day on the job. Try not to beat yourself up about it. Why not take your lunch break and get out of your own head for a while? Arg, tube man, why can't you do anything right? Stupid stupid stupid. come. Cross this symbolic bridge from the year 2020 into the year 2021. Wow, looks easy. What? Wait, it's a treadmill? And that's not all. Wham. What? There are bees now? Why do the bees have guns? RRR, RRRRR. There, now, you made it. Wasn't that easy, Trimble? I hear the farmer is getting a new bull today. But, I just hope he's big this time. Yes, Miriam. Because that's what's important. Forget about his personality. Girl, I'm not here to form lasting relationships. I'm here for a good time. I want him beefy, I want him bulky, and most importantly, I want him good and whore. Okay, Miriam. Why is everyone so obsessed with big horns, anyway, geez? I don't know, Jess, but society demands it. And who am I to question what the masses dictate is attractive? I want horns bigger than his head. Okay, Miriam. I want so big that he has balance problems. Hum. I want him to have to struggle to get through doorways. That's just unrealistic. Well, dear, I hope you get everything you're looking for and more, but I seriously would not bank on it. Oh, Jess, look, he's here. Holy cow. Oh, bullshit. This place looks familiar. Gracious, is this? Yes. The home of the youngest child I ever gave coal to. He was so naughty that he made the naughty list when he was only an infant. Looks like that hasn't changed. He's set to receive coal again this year. Pity. Oh, well, at least his parents left a plate of cookies out for me. How thoughtful. Spit. Or, what is this? Coal? Puffed. The milk is cold too? This isn't right. I have to get out of. Clatter, clatter, flick. What the? Whoosh. Well. I notice there aren't any presents under my tree. Perhaps you'd like to remedy that, Mr. Claus. Thank you for watching. We post videos every day. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to not miss the latest videos. Thank you and see you soon.